One cool morning in London, a worried man visited the famous detective Sherlock Holmes. His friend Dr. Watson was sitting beside him. "Please help me, Mr. Holmes," the man said. "My gold watch is missing." Holmes looked at him carefully. "Calm down. Tell me everything from the beginning." The man said, "Last night I came home after dinner. I took off my gold watch and placed it on the small table next to my bed. Then I went to sleep. This morning, when I woke up, the watch was gone." "Did anyone visit your house yesterday?" Holmes asked. "My gardener worked in the garden, and my housekeeper cleaned the rooms. No one else came." Holmes and Watson went to the man's house. Holmes looked around the bedroom very carefully. Nothing seemed unusual at first. Then he noticed a small muddy footprint near the open window. "Interesting," Holmes whispered. He looked at the table where the watch had been. The table was dusty, but there was one clean circle where the watch had rested. Holmes walked outside into the garden. Near the flower bed, he found another muddy footprint. He smiled. A few minutes later, the gardener came carrying a bucket of water. His boots were covered with the same wet mud. Holmes politely asked, "Did you enter the bedroom this morning?" The gardener looked nervous. He stayed silent for a moment. Then he sighed. "Yes," he admitted. "I found the watch in the garden. It must have fallen from the table through the open window during the night. I wanted to keep it because I needed money. I know I was wrong." He took the gold watch from his pocket and gave it back. The owner was very happy. "Thank you, Mr. Holmes," he said. Watson smiled. "How did you know?" Holmes replied, "The muddy footprints, the open window, and the gardener's boot told the whole story. Small clues often solve great mysteries." The gardener apologized sincerely, and the owner forgave him after he promised never to steal again. From that day on, the gardener worked honestly, and everyone trusted him once more. The end of the story. Thanks for listening. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.